Now look at this question. John is suffering from flu. Suggest 3 precautions that John must take in order not to spread the disease. Okay? And then John's grandfather is also ill. He is suffering from diabetes. Explain why his grandfather does not have to take the precaution that like John. Look, John had flu. He has certain precaution to take, but his grandfather has not flu. He has diabetes, so he needs not take the precaution that Jones is taking. Now, communicable disease such as AIDS and syphilis are deadly one. Suggest 2 ways by which one may protect himself from getting contaminated. So if one does not want to get AIDS and does not want to get syphilis, what he has to or she has to do. So you stop the video, you copy the questions, and then you answer the questions. Okay? Now I hope you have stopped the video and do the questions. Now let us correct this. 3 precautions that Jones must take in order not to spread the disease. Let us see the first one. So he has to wear a face mask and a face shield. He has to wear a face mask and a face shield. Or he has to put his arm or handkerchief near the nose and mouth while sneezing and coughing. Okay? Isolate himself to keep social distancing. Isolate himself, or you can say isolate himself. Therefore, he has to get in a room and nobody can enter the room. Okay? Or keep social distancing. Or if he is not isolating himself, he can keep a social distance with others. Do not come closer to the neighboring. Now, wear mask and face shield. Okay. Now this is the first answer, and you are all among you are well versed with this because of COVID-19. Let's see. His grandfather is also ill. He's suffering from diabetes. Explain why the grandfather does not have to take this precaution. Now let us see why he needs not take the precaution. Because diabetes is not a communicable disease. This is your first sentence. This is the first sentence that examiner wants from you. Do you know that diabetes is not a communicable disease? Okay, it is not caused by pathogen. So we cannot contract the pathogen. We cannot get the pathogen from this infected person. Because it is not caused by a pathogen, it is caused by the failure of the pancreas to secrete insulin. As you know, insulin lowers the blood glucose level. Okay, it lowers the blood glucose level. It lowers the blood glucose level. Okay, it lowers the blood glucose level. So if a person is diabetes, his blood glucose will be high. Okay, now this is first. It is an answer for this part of question. I hope you did it well. Now, communicable disease as AIDS and syphilis are deadly one. Give 2 ways by which one may protect himself. So, avoid frequent sexual intercourse with different partners. Okay, avoid frequent sexual intercourse with different unknown partners. Okay, unknown partners you do not know the history. Okay, you just have sexual intercourse with them. So this is the main cause why people get AIDS and syphilis. And to avoid this, they can use condoms. The best way is to avoid frequent sexual intercourse with different unknown partners. And secondly, use condoms. Okay? Now, these are the reasons to prevent yourself from getting AIDS and or syphilis. Okay? Let us close this. Okay, I hope you enjoy this question. That's all on this question. And look at other video. Okay.